Guardforce AI recently announced the successful launch of its smart solutions and AI applications at its rebranding event hosted by its Thai subsidiary, Guardforce Cash Solution Security, Thailand, Company Limited, on July 25th in Bangkok, Thailand. The event brought together key clients and regional stakeholders to witness the company's transformation and introduction of its refreshed brand identity and expanded business portfolio. During the event, the company introduced two updated solutions, Smart Cash Solution and Smart Retail Solution. Smart Cash Solution is designed to support back-office cash management automation by streamlining cash handling processes and improving accuracy. Smart Retail Solution offers comprehensive functionalities such as customer flow analysis, inventory management, and behavior pattern recognition, serving diverse retail environments. The company's chairwoman and chief executive officer, Lei Olivia Wong, commented on the company's track record of integrating AI solutions that address real-world business challenges. She highlighted the launch of their first AI agent implementation in travel, Deep Voyage Go DVGO, which empowers experienced travel advisors for high-quality travel planning services. Wong emphasized that the company's AI platform is designed to understand client intentions and deliver personalized solutions that enhance sales and marketing effectiveness while improving operational efficiency. This platform represents the next evolution of the company's service capabilities, enabling it to serve its clients even better by providing intelligent, tailored solutions that drive measurable business outcomes. In addition to the launch of its smart solutions, Guardforce AI's subsidiary, Guardforce Cash Solution Security, Thailand Company Limited, has secured a 3-year renewal with Government Savings Bank GSB, one of Thailand's largest state-owned banks. This fourth consecutive renewal represents a decade-long partnership between the company and GSB, with the renewed agreement effective from June 1, 2025, through May 31, 2028. Under the renewed agreement, GFCS will continue to provide secure and efficient cash-in-transit and maintenance services for GSB's ATM network across Thailand's upcountry regions. This renewal further consolidates the company's upcountry strategy in the secured logistics segment and underscores its proven ability to consistently meet the highest standards of service required by a leading government-owned bank. The renewal with GSB provides Guardforce AI with stable and predictable revenue streams over the next 3 years, giving the company a solid financial foundation to invest in innovation and expand its AI-driven solutions.